Hello everyone, this is Dakikada. Today we're making zucchini patties. Our ingredients are 4 zucchinis, 3 spring onions, parsley, we're gonna use half a bunch, 2 carrots, 3 eggs, half a cup of plain flour, salt, black pepper, and if you like chili, you can put chili flakes. I'm just gonna chop a couple of these chili pickles. That's about it. Let's start. We start with peeling the zucchinis. First one. Second one. A little bit. What you doing, Dobby? Third one. And the fourth one. So we peel the carrots too. First one. Second one. And Dobby is watching me carefully here, what I'm doing. Now we're gonna grate the zucchinis with the thick side of the grater in a thin sifter because we want to take out the juice of zucchinis. Okay, now we're taking the juice out of zucchinis. I'm doing it in a sifter because I don't want to waste any zucchinis in the sink. Now I'll take the zucchinis in the sifter again and I'm gonna press on them to get the juice out properly. And now I'll just grate the carrots on top of zucchinis. Looks nice already. Now it's time to prepare our parsley and the spring onions. We're gonna chop them really fine. The onions are ready. Now it's time to do the parsley. Some people don't like the parsley saps, but I do. Well, if you don't like parsley, you don't have to add it up. Just take it out. You can put dill in it if you want to, which I don't like. If you want, you can put some mint in it, which I don't like. So I prefer parsley. Right, these are ready to add these up in our mix. First part is done. Now let's go on to the second part. We've got 3 eggs. Half a cup of plain flour, salt, black pepper, and also our chilies. Let's check these in too. There you go. Now we're gonna whisk it. Okay, now our batter is ready. We're gonna add up our vegetable mixture now. Wow, this can feed an army. You know what? Let's go crazy and add a bit of shredded cheese in it. Because why not? Feel free to be creative. Let's mix these up. And I'm just gonna rest these in the fridge for half an hour to an hour. You can even cook it in the air fryer, but I'll prefer the pan cook with butter. Oh my god. I'm already drooling, man. It's perfect balance. I decided to add a bit of olive oil in it. I'll put it in the fridge like that. Unbelievable. Look at this beauty. It's gonna be yummy. Now it goes into the fridge for an hour. Let's clean the edges. Wrap it up. There you go. It's time to cook. Stir it nicely. Take a spoonful like your pancakes. I use sunflower oil and then we just tuck it on the pan just like that. So when they jiggle like that on the pan, you can flip them, but I like to keep them a bit more longer. When it's golden brown outside, just take them aside, drain them a bit, and then ready to eat. I flipped them for the last time. These are the humongous ones. They're gonna be ready to eat very soon. Now we're done. Let me show you this. I made some potatoes in the oven too, and I'm gonna serve it with cacık. Let me take the camera and show it to you. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Look at these beauties. They look so good.